Pinag-uusapan ka nila. Anak, have you ever wondered, your business is open every day, may mga customers, may benta, things look okay on the surface. Pero bakit kuminsan sa pakiramdam natin is it feels like something is slowly slipping away? O baka ganito naman ang nararamdaman mo, yung customers na dating bumibili sa iyo regularly, biglang wala na, walang reklamo, walang explanation, basta nawala. And there you are asking yourself, what did I do wrong? Ginagawa ko naman ng lahat. Nakaka-frustrate, di ba? Because you are putting in the effort. You give good products and services. You take care of your customers. Pero yung feeling na may lumalayo, it keeps you up at night. Or maybe this one is closer to home. May nagsabi na ba sa'yo, nakakilala na, ay, hindi na ako bumibili doon. So, nung tinanong mo kung bakit, at ang answer niya is something na hindi mo ini-expect. Kasi hindi mo ito naririnig mula sa customer mo mismo. You are only hearing it now from someone else. Anak, over 4 decades na akong being inside businesses. And ito yung pinakamasakit na nangyayari na nakita ko that's happening to good hardworking owners. Hindi sila nabigo dahil sa masamang product or service. Hindi sila nag-fail dahil sa tamad na serbisyo. They failed because something was happening outside their business na hindi nila marinig, hindi nila makita. And by the time they found out, it was already too late. Kaya ngayon, let's talk about the 5 signs that this is already happening sa negosyo mo. You see, one of our followers recently sent us this message. Mami N, parang maayos naman ang negosyo namin. May products, may service, may customer. Pero bakit parang pababa ng pababa ang dating? Hindi naman kami nagbago. Wala ring nagrereklamo sa amin pero nararamdaman namin na may mali. Hindi lang naman namin alam kung ano. So, sagot ko sa kanya, alam mo anak, ito yung 5 bagay na dahan-dahan, quietly hurting your business right now. 1 is unhappy customers do not complain. They just leave without saying a word. Number 2, people are talking about your business online and there may be conversations happening there that you have never seen. Number 3, your staff carries your name even when you are not around and you don't always know how they are representing it. Tama? Number 4, sa ibang mga industries, no? Sa some industries, your reputation is built inside networks that you are not part of, not through marketing. And lastly, protecting your name is an active responsibility. It does not just take care of itself. Remember, let's always be business-minded, Pinoy. Grow your business, Pinoy. Have you been running your business for years but feel like you're going around in circles? Anak, parang stuck ka, scattered, and you're not quite sure where the next right step is and what it is. So Grow Your Business, Pinoy is a book that gives you a clear, step-by-step growth roadmap. It's practical, proven, and built for the realities of running a business in the Philippines. Wala nang guessing, wala nang doing everything and going nowhere. Just a clear path forward. Finally, get your copy now, anak. The link is in the comment section.